Our experience with Rail King has been a real good experience. I've been the Rail King program manager with MH Equipment now for 16 years, and the support we've gotten from Rail King and Stuart Stevenson has been excellent. It allows us to be a valued supplier to our customers because Rail King continues to do a lot of things outside the norm to give us the support that our customers need. We have over 30 locations for MH Equipment where Rail King is a very important part of our business, and it's very important to our customers.
The end user for this product often depends on this product to move high volumes of their material. When their equipment is down, the loss that they experience can be hundreds of thousands of dollars per day. The extensive parts on hand that Rail King has and can ship out at a moment's notice can sometimes mean millions of dollars in lost revenue for the end users.
My customers like the fact that they can count on the Rail King. With some of my customers, they tell me this is the most important piece of equipment at my factory. If I can't move rail cars, I can't keep the line going, and I need to be able to count on parts or whoever to get me that stuff to keep them up and going, along with our service department.
We had a situation with a customer that had a major failure on a component, and we know that'll happen because this is a very rough environment. But what really impressed me with Rail King was their response. I called them on the phone. They had that part on a truck that afternoon. When it got to our customer, we were able to get our customer up and running. And then after the fact, they dug into it to find out what caused the failure, and they were able to modify that customer's machine for that abusive environment where it never happened again. The next time that customer bought a rail car mover, guess what? They bought a Rail King.